Live blood analysis. But what is live blood analysis? Live and dry blood analysis, shortened to LBA, looks at a drop of blood through a high-powered specialized microscope, using specific lighting to help reveal the state of health of your blood. The size and shape of the cells, along with any signs of crystals, undigested fats, parasites, bacterial forms, yeast, fungus, and candida markers are observed along with vitamin, mineral deficiencies, their symptoms and likely causes. Many anomalies are noticed in live blood analysis that remain unseen using traditional techniques. But how does it benefit you? Well, a live blood analysis provides the essential foundational view of the current condition and quality of your blood, and so gives an indication of the current condition of your health. Through the live blood analysis and the dry blood analysis, many clients have been able to find out what has been causing their health problems, their weight issues, allergies and food intolerances. But what does your blood say about your health? This is a high-powered view of healthy blood cells, red blood cells round and evenly shaped. This is unhealthy blood, red blood in poor health, unevenly shaped. Platelet aggregation. This is basically platelets clumping together. Now, all of these tell a story about your current health and what you can actually do about it to improve your health and the future of your health. If you'd like to find out more, grab a free copy of the free book Live Blood Analysis. It's written by Elizabeth Clements, who's an expert in this field. Just literally go to livebloodhealthcheck.com and pick up your free ebook. Thank you very much for listening, and I hope to speak to you again soon.